go.
Hello Buccaneers, we are in Pismo Beach and we are going to show you the fun things you can do here. This is a classic beach town located on California's Central Coast. We are learning to surf for the first time at Central Coast Surf School. This is the leading provider of surf lessons and camps in San Luis Obispo County. We're putting on our wetsuit. Today, Mr. Carter will be our instructor. First, he's teaching us about the waves. Next, he talked to us about the parts of a surfboard and showed us how to stand on it.
Yeah, that looks super good. One foot in between my two hands. Stand up. Good. Nice.
And he taught Brother how to do the shaka. We're now ready to do it in the water.
You go, dude.
Meanwhile, Brother is riding the waves at shore. And I'm heading back out to the water to try again. Getting better this time. Let's go check on Brother again. Oh no, he fell into the water.
It's okay. It's okay.
Now the waves are getting bigger.
One last one, buddy. One foot.
That was gnarly. Thank you, Mr. Carter, for a fun time. Visit centralcoastsurfschool.com to book your lesson. Our next stop is the Pismo Beach Butterfly Grove. Hey! This is a eucalyptus tree-filled grove with thousands of monarch butterflies in late October through February. But unfortunately, we came in the spring, so there weren't that many butterflies. Brother is excited that he spotted some. Oh, I found 4! Let me catch it! Now we're having lunch at Mon Ami. This is a family-owned European-style cafe and espresso bar. We're watching the cook making our lunch. Here are the finished products. I'm having a chicken real crepe that has chicken and pesto and other toppings. And Brother is having a bacon and egg croissant. The crepe is very filling, and the chicken is super tender, and the pesto sauce is delicious. And Brother gives it his signature thumbs up. Now let's go check out the Pismo Beach Surf Shop. This is a great place to visit for its unique gifts and inventory. That's who likes eating like this. Why? I wonder what else they have here. It's Mr. Fat Buddha. I'm showing Brother a Sasquatch sign and he did the Squatch call. Why? Now we're going to play at Dinosaur Caves Park. This is an 11-acre oceanfront bluff top park. Brother and I are going to explore the playground. I'll go inside the dinosaur egg. Let's hop on the tire swing. Don't hurt yourself. Or We're taking a picture before we leave. Now we're checking in at the Pier. Just footsteps from the pier and boardwalk, this upscale craftsman-style oceanfront hotel in Pismo Beach features boutique guest rooms and first-class amenities. It's even a rooftop overlooking the coastline. I'm gonna give you a tour of our room. There are 2 queen-size beds, here and here, a TV, and a view of the downtown Pismo Beach. And Brother's gonna show you the bathroom. There's the rain shower with soap, and there's this little toilet. The room is even equipped with an Alexa. Hey Alexa, play music. Hey Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the spiders have such a strong connection? They saw eye to 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 eye.
Okay, alright. Let's go check out the rooftop. Too bad we didn't come prepared, or else we could have swam here. Let's just enjoy the view. It's time for dinner at Blonde Restaurant and Bar here at the inn. This restaurant offers an expansive menu and superior service for a truly memorable dining experience. I'm gonna try some steamed bun tacos for appetizer. Brother's having some chicken tenders and fruits, and he gives it his signature thumbs up. And I ordered some chicken and waffles. The chicken is juicy, and I like the skin, it tasted good. I can't believe that we finished all the chicken. Now we're bowling at Pismo Bowl. Established in 1939, this 8-lane center has a retro feel with its above-ground bar return and coffee shop diner. There's even an arcade. First, we're getting our bowling shoes. I got a spare, and now it's Brother's turn. Oops, wrong angle. We had so much fun in Pismo Beach. Stay tuned for part 2. Please hit the subscribe button and remember to look for your own adventure.